I was craving breakfast food and donuts, so I got Dunkin' Donuts. Let's eat it together. Hash browns, or the loaded hash browns. And then a breakfast sandwich. I want to eat the hash browns first because they look bomb. I've never had the hash browns. I didn't get bacon on them because I don't really like bacon. I'm more of a sausage girly. Oh my god, there's like 5 in here. What the hell? Hot sauce. Mmm. Mmm. I should grab more of those. Mmm. These are hella good. Mmm. I should have gotten 2. Well, now I know. You know what I'm gonna do? Is put the rest of my hash browns on my sandwich. I got a turkey sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. Very good. Oh, my ice melted. So I have some exciting news. I'm moving again. All these toxic environments. I'm moving and I'm so excited. I just know it'll be good for me. Thank God I have such a good support system. Like, I don't know what I'd do without them. I remember in like elementary school was this little boy, and he'd say how like he's lived in all these different houses, and I always thought that was so weird because I had grown up in the same house for like 22 years or whenever the fuck I moved out. I remember him like saying how he's lived in all these different houses and how weird that was. And now I'm older, I'm like, oh my god, I'm that little boy. I've moved so much. It's weird to think about how I only lived in one house when I was a little kid. I remember in Sex and the City when Carrie was talking to like Miranda and all of them about like all the places that they've lived, like their apartments or whatever. And I remember watching that and thinking that was so odd. Like, how did they move so many times? Like, why would they move so many times? But now I get it. It's so weird. I hate moving. But this move will be good for me. I'm sure I've said that before. But this one will be very, very good. I kind of want the maple bar. What is this one? This one's like filled with something. No, it's not. They lied. I love a good sprinkled donut. Mmm. Mmm.